Mecca is an ancient city. It was founded by the Prophet Ibrahim, his wife Hajar, and their son Ismail, thousands of years ago. It's a miracle that one small family was responsible for establishing the holiest site on earth, the Kaaba. The actions this family took in faithful devotion to Allah have inspired millions of people through the generations. Their devotion has formed the basis of the rites of Hajj. The Kaaba is the center of Masjid al-Haram, a huge building with an open ceiling and 4 floors to pray and make tawaf or circle the Kaaba. Also located in the Masjid are the ever-flowing well of Zamzam and the hills of Safa and Marwa. Seeing the Kaaba for the first time in person is unforgettable. You've waited for years, facing in its direction for prayer, and now is the big moment. What do? What do you say? There's no required dua or prayer you need to say when first setting eyes on the Kaaba. You may feel overjoyed and awestruck, and many people cannot help but cry. Masjid al-Haram is huge. It has several entrances or gates. So if you're visiting with family or a group, be sure to decide on a meeting place in case someone gets lost. During busy times, like Hajj season, people are checked at the door for cameras and cell phones, so it's best to leave them at the hotel. Although there are ample washrooms and wudu facilities nearby, it's a good practice to locate the one nearest to you because it may take a while to get there during busy hours. The masjid is all-inclusive. Men, women, and children can make tawaf and pray on any floor and in any area. There are even wheelchairs available for rent and designated places for wheelchairs to make tawaf safely and easily. The masjid is also walking distance from many hotels, stores, and restaurants.